Hello, welcome to the AI prompt engineer. Today we will build a paint toolbar, basic paint toolbar, and also I will show you how to fix your errors debug using ChatGPT if you are a non-coder or a very beginner. So let's start. Just go to the ChatGPT and type build an app using Python in GUI form, which allows us like users to draw something on it and also to paint on it and save it as required. So just type all these stuffs, and also you have a flexibility to update it in a more advanced version. So it's up to you. I am showing just a basic one. So as you see in the step by step we are getting the code, and so not only we just build our app, also we are able to learn like how exactly we are building. Even if we don't know the Python, still we are able to get it and build it very quickly. So yeah, it's a good thing. And let's see, we are getting each and every step and functions step by step, so there will be no confusion like how this code is working. So yeah, we get this code. So as you see, total we are getting here 5 steps to build a paint toolbar. So this is a import libraries these are, and after that the codes start. So let's copy one by one each part and paste it in a VS Code editor. So yeah, so just go to the number one, copy it and paste it in VS Code editor, and then save it. And then same, like go to the second, the creation of class, and then copy it and then paste it here. And after that, one by one, just similarly go for the third one, fourth one, and the fifth step, and complete your code. So yeah, let's do it one by one. Save it completely. Everything is done now. So I'm hoping that we will get a working code or not. Let's see. Run in Python terminal, and let's see. Here you can see we are getting the error. So just for debugging, if you are a beginner, no, don't know anything about coding, just copy the error, go to ChatGPT and paste it, and GPT will tell you the reason behind the error, and as well as solution also to fix it. So let's type it, and let's see, we are getting the proper reason like why this code is not working. We have no methods name new file, so we have to create those methods as well. So as you can see, we get a code snippet for that portion as well, and also the whole procedure steps. But let's assume you are a non-coder, you don't know anything, so you are unable to fix after even after these steps as well. So then you have to do one simple thing, which I am going to show you right now. So just go to your main code, copy your whole code. After this error instructions, copy your whole code and go to ChatGPT and write this prompt, simple prompt, correct this code using according to the all above given instructions, or similar to this, write something, and then paste your whole previous code here. And then see the magic, you will get some new updated code, which in which all these functions are automatically fixed by ChatGPT. So you have to do nothing, just copy it and go to your original VS Code editor and run it. So as you see, we are getting the updated code version in which all these things will be automatically built. So we have don't need to do anything. So especially this will work for a non-coder. If you don't know anything A to B, anything about coding, then as you see here, def, we are getting a def new file portion code as well here. Just we get this updated one, just copy it. And similarly, if you get multiple time follow this approach, and you are able to build anything. And also you will get a lot to you will learn, so you don't need any proper co-worker. So that's a great thing, utilize it. Just paste the updated code here, and after paste that, run it, and let's see we are getting a pen toolbar or not. So run it, go to Python terminal, run it. Yeah, we are getting a basic Python paint app using Python. So you can see here tools are there, color options, new, save, exit. These are some basic functionalities you can see here. From here we are able to select our color. Suppose I choose red color, and tool, just select pencil and start typing anything. So just right now I'm typing. As you can see, this is working like a pen toolbar. Also we play games here, scribble games, you know those games as well. So yeah, and suppose if you want to upgrade it, then we have to use some more prompts and it will take little bit more time, but we are able to optimize it in a more efficient way or customize it by our own desired result. So yeah, you can see everything is working fine. Here we have option to save it, open it, exit it. As you can see, just after clicking on save, we are getting an option to save our designed files. So yeah, you can save it, just cancel, and just if you want to create some new, just go to new one and you will get a new whole new page to draw or to create something. So yeah, this is also good. As you can see, all previous things are gone. So thank you and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you and have a nice day.